Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you the very delicious guacamole salsa from this famous restaurant, Pollo Loco. I know that you guys are really going to love this amazing aguacate salsa, especially the copycat of El Pollo Loco. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing copycat guacamole salsa from El Pollo Loco restaurant, these are the ingredients. I have salt, garlic cloves, jalapeño in their vinegar. I have tomatillos, aguacates from my garden, and of course, cilantro. This is everything we need to make this amazing and delicious guacamole salsa from El Pollo Loco restaurant. So let's get started. I want to start showing you that I have my tomatillos here and my cilantro. I rinsed it very good through running water. On this pan, I have 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add my tomatillos, and I'm going to add my 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to take it to the stove, and I'm going to start cooking the tomatillos in high heat. I am going to cook it until the tomatillos change color to a light yellow. And here I have the cilantro, and I'm going to go ahead and add it into my blender. Remember that I have disinfected and rinsed my cilantro through running water. I'm going to add the jalapeños and the juice of the jalapeno, the vinegar. I'm adding the salt. And once I add the salt, I am going to start slicing my organic aguacates. These avocados are from my garden. So I'm going to go ahead, slice them through the center. I'm going to get the pulp out, and I'm going to add it directly into my blender. This is how you make this famous and delicious El Pollo Loco salsa, avocado salsa. I am sure that once you make it, you are going to continue making this amazing salsa from El Pollo Loco. Look at this. You get all the ingredients, you add them into your blender, and of course, it's going to take a couple minutes before your tomatillos are ready and they are nice and yellow. Remember, the tomatillos are really a bright green, but when they start cooking, they are going to get soft. They're going to change color, and that's when you know that it is time to remove them from the heat. Look at this. Only the top portion is dark green, and the other part of the bottom of the tomatillo is already changing color. Don't overcook your tomatillos. You just want them to change color, and then you are ready to add it to your blender. You don't want your tomatillos to explode and to start getting so soft they start pulling apart. That's exactly what you don't want. Now I am ready to turn off the stove, transfer all my tomatillos to my blender. So let's turn off the stove, and let me show you how I'm going to go ahead and add all these tomatillos into the blender. I'm going to add the tomatillos. I'm going to add my 3 garlic cloves, and I'm going to use only 1 cup of the liquid where the tomatillos cooked. It doesn't take too long to make this amazing avocado salsa. copycat of El Pollo Loco. It doesn't come out too spicy. It has a little kick, but yet you could enjoy them in crispy tacos. You could enjoy them with chips. You decide. I am sure that once you make this amazing El Pollo Loco guacamole salsa, you are going to continue enjoying this amazing recipe. Of course, I just added half of liquid into this blender. You don't want to add too much. You just want to add enough so that it blends completely and it comes out creamy and delicious. Keeps growing. Thank you so much for always being here and giving me your support. Well, here, let me show you how thick it is and how creamy it is. Remember, this salsa is not spicy. It has a little kick, but it's not spicy where you cannot enjoy it. It smells amazing and I just can't wait to enjoy it. I'm going to go ahead, transfer it to a white plate so that you could really see the texture of the avocado salsa. It's runny, yes, but it's thick at the same time. It's nice and creamy. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this copycat salsa de aguacate of this famous restaurant, El Pollo Loco. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Really creamy. It's not too spicy. It's just perfect. You need to make this amazing salsa at home. There's no need to go and buy this amazing salsa at El Pollo Loco when you could make it at home. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing salsa de aguacate at home and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.